class 10 students of ICSE board. Today we will do Act 2 Scene 8. So as we always do, we discuss the plot before starting the scene. This scene 8 actually begins on a street of Venice where Salarino and Salarino enters. So Salarino and Salarino are there. They discuss about the development of Venice, and finally they start talking about Shylock, who discovered that Jessica had disappeared. He raised the Duke of Venice at night from sleep and asked him to find his daughter. They didn't find her, but the Duke did find out that she was last seen with Lorenzo in Gandola. So Gandola is a Venetian pleasure making boat with Shylock's money. Shylock demanded to have Bassanio's ship searched, but it was found that Bassanio had already sailed. तो ये सीन है वेनिस का, जहाँ पे सैलारिनो और सैलानियो हैं, जहाँ पे खड़े हुए हैं और ये बात कर रहे हैं शार्लॉक की। शार्लॉक जिसको पता चलता है उसकी बेटी नहीं है घर पे, तो ड्यूक ऑफ वेनिस को वो रात में ही जगा देता, कहता मेरी बेटी को ढूंढने मेरी मदद करे। वो लोग ढूंढते हैं लेकिन जेसिका कहीं नहीं मिलती है, और फाइनली उसको ये पता चलता है ड्यूक को कि जेसिका को लास्ट बार जो है उसके साथ देखा गया था लोरेंजो का गोंडोला। गोंडोला एक वेनिस की बोट होती है जिसमें आप यात्रा करते हैं, और लेकिन बेसानियो, फिर शार्लॉक कहता है बेसानियो की शिप ढूंढी जाए, तो ये पता चलता है बेसानियो अपने जहाज के साथ जा चुका है। नाउ वी स्टार्ट द सीन। वेनिस अ स्ट्रीट, सीन 8 ऑफ एक्ट 2। एंटर सैलारिनो एंड सैलानियो। सैलारिनो और सैलानियो एंटर करते हैं। सैलारिनो: Why man, I saw Bassanio under sail. Yes man, I saw Bassanio set sail. Under sail means get started. With him is Gratiano gone alone, and Gratiano is also with him, and they both have gone. And in the ship, I am sure Lorenzo is not there. But I am sure Lorenzo was not there in the ship. अब Salarino कह रहा है कि जो मैंने देखा है कि बसैनियो की शिप जा चुकी है, और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है ग्रेशियानो भी उसके साथ था, लेकिन लोरेंजो उनके बोट पे जहाज पे नहीं था। सैलानियो: द विलन ज्यू विद आउटक्राइज। आउटक्राइज मीन लाउड क्राइज। रेज्ड मीन्स रोज द ड्यूक। द विलन ज्यू मीन शार्लॉक, दे यूज्ड टू कॉल हिम बाय दिस नेम ओनली। ही स्टार्टेड वेलिंग एंड क्राइंग एंड ही रोज द ड्यूक फ्रॉम हिज स्लीप, who went with him to search Bassanio's ship, and he took with him the Duke to search for Bassanio's ship. और शार्लॉक ने जोर जोर से चिल्ला के ड्यूक को उसकी नींद से उठा दिया और वो कहा कि मेरे साथ चलिए, बसानियो की जहाज ढूंढने में मदद करिए। Salarino: he came too late, the ship was under sail. He reached there too late, for the ship had, when Duke and Shylock reached the port, the ship of Bassanio had already sailed off. It already left the port. But there the Duke was given to understand, but Duke was told at that point that in Gondola is, as I told you, Venetian pleasure making boat, were seen together. It was told to Duke that they both were seen together. Who? Gratiano and Bassanio. Lorenzo and his amorous Jessica. And this was also told that Lorenzo was also there in the ship with his amorous, with very loving Jessica, and this was told to Duke that Lorenzo along with his beloved Jessica were seated next to each other on the boat. Antonio certified the Duke that they were not with Bassanio's ship, but Antonio assured the Duke that they were not there in the ship. अब सैलारिनो कहता है कि वो लोग पहुँचे थे कि तट पे, तब उसका जहाज जो था वो वहाँ से जा चुका था बसानियो का, और लेकिन ड्यूक को ये विश्वास दिलाया गया कि उस जहाज में जेसिका और लोरेंजो ही बैठे थे, लेकिन फाइनली एंटोनियो ने बताया कि उस जहाज में लोरेंजो और जेसिका नहीं थे। सैलानियो: आई हैव नेवर हर्ड अ पैशन सो कंफ्यूज। पैशन मीन्स आउटबर्स्ट ऑफ फीलिंग। आई हैव नेवर हर्ड अ पर्सन हर्ड और सीन सच अ वाइल्ड क्राइज इन माई लाइफ। Mixed. So these cries are very confusing. Why was he crying? Whether he was crying for his money, whether he was crying for his gems or jewels, or whether he was crying for his daughter. My daughter, my ducats, my daughter. So he was crying for his daughter also, he was crying for his ducats also, but he was fled with a Christian, and he was not happy that his daughter has gone, fled, and fled with a Christian. Oh, my Christian ducats. And he was worried about the gold coins. So here it is like a confusing thing, that why was he crying, whether he was crying for his daughter, whether he was crying that his daughter eloped with a Christian, or whether he was crying for his ducats. तो यहाँ पे वो रो रहा था, सेलानियो कहता मुझे नहीं मालूम, वो मैंने कभी भी किसी आदमी को इतनी ज़ोर ज़ोर से रोते नहीं देखा, और मुझे नहीं मालूम वो किस चीज़ के लिए रो रहा था। वो अपनी बेटी के लिए रो रहा था, वो अपने पैसे के लिए रो रहा था, अपने गोल्ड कॉइन्स के लिए रो रहा था, या इस बात पे रो रहा था उसकी बेटी क्रिश्चियन के साथ भाग गई। ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग थी, क्योंकि बार बार जोर जोर से चिल्ला के रो रहा था। Salarino, why all the boys in Venice follow him? And well, and he said, well, all the boys, the small boys, all boys followed him, and they also started copying him. They started making sounds like Shylock was making, and they even started crying, my stones, my daughter, my ducats. So they all started crying like him. तो सारे बच्चे जो स्ट्रीट के थे वेनिस के, उसकी नकल करके उसके पीछे भाग रहे थे। शार्लॉक आगे आगे भाग रहा था, बच्चे पीछे भाग रहे थे, ऐसे जनरली होता है। और वो लोग चिल्ला रहे थे कि मेरा पैसा, मेरे प्रेशियस स्टोन्स और मेरी बेटी, वो भी वैसे करते थे। Salarino, Mary well remembered, by the blessed Virgin Mary, I reasoned with the Frenchman. Reason means I talked to a Frenchman yesterday. I had a word with a Frenchman yesterday, who told me in the narrow seas that part the French and England. The narrow seas that, in fact, that's the English Channel that separates France and England. There miscarried. There was lost or the wrecked a vessel of our country. So there a ship was wrecked. A vessel means ship of our country, richly fraught. Richly fraught means richly laden or loaded. I thought upon Antonio when he told me. The moment he is that Frenchman who told Salarino that in the English Channel he has seen a ship wrecked, a ship broken, lost, which was richly laden, loaded with the merchandise. I thought, and at that time I thought of Antonio, and wished in silence that if were not it, and I wished in silence that the ship might not belong to Antonio. So यहाँ पे Salarino कह रहा, मुझे याद आ रहा है कि मुझे कल मेरी बात एक फ्रेंच नागरिक से हुई थी। उसने मुझे बताया कि जो नैरो सी है, जो कि जिसको इंग्लिश चैनल कहते हैं, वहाँ पे जो फ्रांस और इंग्लैंड को अलग अलग करता, वहाँ पे एक जहाज़ पाया गया जो कि शायद भटक गया है, और वो जहाज़ हमारे ही देश का है, और जिस पे काफ़ी सामान लदा हुआ, मर्चेंडाइज लदा हुआ है। और मैंने उसी समय सोचा कि ये जहाज़, काश ये जहाज़ एंटोनियो का ना हो। Salarino, a kinder gentleman treads not the earth. I have never seen a gentleman as kind as Antonio walking on this earth. Treads means walking. I saw Bassanio and Antonio apart. So I was there where Bassanio was moving away, and I saw Bassanio and Antonio at that time. Bassanio told him he would make some speed. Bassanio assured Antonio that he'll come back quickly, he'll not delay, he'll come back quickly. But see how good Antonio was. See the goodness of that person. Of his return, he answered, do not so. But Antonio said, no, don't do this. Slubber not business. Mean don't spoil your business. What was his business? His business was, who is this? His is Bassanio. And what was his business? His business was going to go to Balmain and impress that lady Portia with the train of attendants, and with his all the luxuries and comforts he has, and win him as his wife. But stay the very ripening of the time, but stay there as long as it is necessary for the fulfillment of your purpose. As I have already told, the purpose of Bassanio was to get married to that lady named Portia, and for the Jews bond which he hath of me. And don't worry about the bond that Shylock had with me. Let it not enter in your mind of loving, and don't let it enter in your mind. Don't think about it at all. और यहाँ पे सेलारिनो कहता, मैंने देखा था जिस समय जिस समय एंटोनियो और बसानियो एक दूसरे से दूर जा रहे थे, बेसानियो अपने जहाज से बेलमोंट की तरफ जा रहा था, तो बेसानियो ने एंटोनियो से कहा कि मैं जल्दी लौट आऊँगा, मैं देर नहीं करूँगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे आप एंटोनियो की अच्छाई देखिए, उसने बेसानियो से कहा नहीं नहीं, जल्दी करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं, जब तक कि तुम्हारा काम पूरी तरह से पूरा नहीं हो जाता। काम क्या था उसका? वहाँ जाके बेलमोंट में पोर्शिया से शादी करना, अगर हो पाती है तो, और जब तक कि तुम्हारा काम पूरा नहीं हो जाता तब तक आने की सोचना भी नहीं। और जो बॉन्ड है जो मैंने और शाइलॉक ने एक जिस पे समझौता किया है, उसको अपने दिमाग में अंदर भी मत आने देना। यहाँ पे कितना केयरफुल और कितना प्यार करता है वो बेसानियो से। बी मैरी एंड एम्प्लॉय योर चीफेस्ट थॉट एंड बी हैप्पी एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट थिंक ओनली ऑफ your main thought, your main thinking should be related to Portia and your marriage, to courtship and such fair ostents. Ostents means display, and only think about to courtship, to go to the court of Portia and display your love and display and you need to propose her and you need to impress her with your love as shall conveniently become you there, and this is the most proper thing you need to do. And even there his eyes being big with tears, and as he was saying so, while Antonio was saying so, his eyes were full of tears. Turning his face, he turned his face because he didn't want Bassanio to see his tears. He put his hand behind him, and with affection wondrous sensible, wondrous means in a very wonderful way, in a very sensible way, and with the most affectionate way, he pressed Bassanio's hand, and so they departed. So this was his love for Bassanio. इतना प्यार करता था Bassanio से कि उसने एक Bassanio से कहा कि तुम अपने दिमाग में कहीं पे भी शाइलॉक के बॉन्ड की बात मत आने देना, और तुम्हारा मेन सोचने का जो सोचने की बात होगी वो होगी तुम किस तरीके से पोर्शिया को इम्प्रेस करो, अपना प्यार उस पर जाहिर करो, और यही तुम्हारा मेन पर्पस होना चाहिए। ये कहते समय उसकी आंखों में आंसू थे, उसने अपना चेहरा घुमा लिया ताकि बसैनी उसके आंसू ना देख सके, और बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से, बहुत ही प्यार भरे तरीके से, बहुत ही गर्माहट से उसने बसैनियों का हाथ पकड़ा, और इस तरह से वो लोग अलग हो गए। बसैनियो अपनी जहाज में बैठ के चला गया। Salanio, I think he only loves the world for him, and he said that I feel that Antonio loved the world for the sake of Bassanio only. I pray, come, let us go and find him out. For him means let us go and find Antonio and quicken his embraced heaviness, and we shall quickly charm him up. We should quickly make him happy and make him come out of the heavy griefs he has, and quicken his embraced heaviness. Embraced heaviness means that he is deep seated, he has a deep seated sorrow with some delight or other. So we'll do some with some amusement we'll make him happy. Salarino, do we so, let us do so. अब यहाँ पे सलानियो बात कर रहा है कि चलो हम लोग उसको ढूंढते हैं एंटोनियो को, और उसको जल्दी से जल्दी उसके मन में जो बोझ है उसको हटा के। बोझ कैसा है? बोझ उसके मन में अपने जहाज को लेके नहीं है, बोझ उसके मन है बसैनियों से अलग होने का। उसको खुश करते हैं, कुछ बातों से करते हैं, उसको खुश करते हैं, और इस तरह से वो लोग वहाँ से चले जाते हैं। So that was Act 2 Scene 8. In the next video we'll do Act 2 Scene 9. Till then, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends. Goodbye. Thank you.